Secret number 3, why it is nearly impossible for your recruitment business to fail. Most people I speak to have the dream of starting a recruitment business trapped within them, that somehow becomes stifled by the fear of failure, so never fulfill their dreams. How sad. Would you agree with me that if you knew for certain that your business could not fail, you would have no excuse for not getting started? A home-based recruitment agency costs very little to run, and you don't have to worry about rent, rates and all the other expenses associated with operating from business premises. The lower your expenses, the more profit you get to keep, and the easier it is to manage your cash flow. Working from home-based office keeps your overhead costs low, as you're not renting office space or paying for any office facilities. The zero commute also saves money on petrol and wear and tear on your car. In fact, the money you save from working from home within a few short months dwarfs the investment fee for starting your home-based recruitment agency. So it doesn't cost, but it pays to get started. Once you have made your initial investment, your home-based recruitment agency will run on a shoestring budget. With minimal outgoings coupled with you generating huge fees from your agency, how can you possibly fail? More about this subject on the day of the event. Once again, if you haven't registered for this life-changing event, then what are you waiting for? Do so now whilst you're still on this page.